Hello, welcome to this video. All right, so I'll be taking us through how we can actually make use of the voice record, voice notes, voice typing on your Microsoft Word. All right, so first thing you're going to do is that just go to your Microsoft Word, like something like this. Just go to New, then you open New. All right, then after that, just go to your Insert, then go to Text box. Just choose any text box you want to use. For me, I'll make use of this one. Alright. So in this case, so we can start our now. What you're going to do is that you're going to click Windows R and Windows H. Alright. Now on your keyboard, you see something Windows key. Alright. So you click on Windows key, then plus H. Alright, so once you click on this Windows key plus H, then you can begin to what? You can see some voice typing features may not work in this space. Alright, so when you click on this Windows key, can you see that? Wow, amazing, amazing. So you can see what I'm talking about. Let me try to put this so that you can see it. Can you see that? Okay, let me do another one so that you understand what I'm talking about. Uh, okay. Can you click on Windows H? But the thing is, you are going to connect your internet. Hello, my name is Austin Concept. Now I'm here to teach people on how to make use of voice notes on Microsoft Word. Thank you. So now it's going to discuss that internet. Hello, my name is Austin Concept. I'm here to teach people how to make use of voice notes on Microsoft Word. Thank you. Can you see that? So this is how you can make use of the voice notes on Microsoft Word. Probably you are on call, you are doing something, and you actually wanted to do something on your on your laptop, and you are on call. Or probably you want to record the meetings you are doing. So you can actually do something like this so that as you are talking to recording everything you are doing on that meeting. So if this video is helpful to you, just try to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Austin Concept. So thank you. Thank you.